Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to archive a repo on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we can see that we have three lines where we have the home, issues, pull requests, and also on projects. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, you can see get your status, your profile, your spot repositories, and a lot of things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and archive a repo on GitHub. Archiving a repository on GitHub is a straightforward process, and here are the steps you need to follow. Navigate to your repository, go to the main page, and go to you can click on here. As you can see, now we are there. Access settings, so go to the settings here, which is the last option. Then enter the danger zone, scroll down to the danger zone section. So it means you go and scroll down and find the danger zone, as you can see. Then archive the repository, click on archive the repository, which is of course here, as you can see. Then confirm, read the warnings, type the name of the repository to confirm, and then click I understand the consequences, and then it will be archived. So guys, that will be it for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.